Konnichiwa. Welcome to another Tomat Reviews Japanese Vending Machines. Today we're at a place with a bunch of big red things. It's hot and there's lots of people around here, so you know what that means. Vending machines. Oh yeah, here it is. Vending machines this way. It's a pretty long entrance for some vending machines. Getting so tired. Where's the end of this thing? I seem to have found myself in a strange land with no vending machines. Wait. Thank goodness. Okay, today our options include milk coffee, Pocari Sweat, soda frutsu, some sort of milk soda. Ugh. Wow, it's so hot. I must try Pocari Sweat. Ion supply drink, Pocari Sweat. Close to that of human body fluid. It can be easily absorbed into the body. That's exactly what I need. Let's try it. Ugh. Yeah. Thanks, Pocari Sweat. I'm feeling revitalized already. And thank you for watching another Tomat's Japanese Vending Machine Reviews. Sayonara.